It's been time to harvest these. I'm gonna take these goldens out and get those lion's manes out today. But look at those golden oysters. Oh my goodness. Lovely. Alright, so I'm harvesting these goldens today. Not too bad for a newbie. I'm a newbie trying to learn this mushrooms deal. So y'all going along with me on this journey. So let's see, can I get this all off in one setting? No, it's not gonna come all off in one setting. And that's fine, because I'll probably sell it in pieces anyway. Yeah. Going to the market tomorrow. Beautiful golden oyster mushrooms. Got that piece all by itself.